This is Gambler versus Gambler. I'm going to cut the cards and hope for something good, like a king. Try and get another king. That's 2. Third one. Of course, this is getting more and more difficult as we go because there are less and less kings. And the last one looks like that. Wait. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking this is a mistake. It's a problem. But it's actually not. This is a possibility. Because to you right now, it looks like I've made a mistake. 3 kings and an ace. But what if this card could change? What if they could all change into the 4 aces? If you can imagine 4 aces, then you can imagine practically any card, including a royal flush in spades.